If you're planning a trip to Brunei and you want to save both your time
We're just
and money,
waiting for the
then
driver
try the
because
Times Hotel.
he pays for the parking.
Whenever I book an international stay, I always look for a specific thing, which is the free airport transfer. It will save your time and your budget. They offer free shuttle for both ways, and if ever you will leave or arrive on Friday during their prayer times, Brunei are closing their businesses between 12 p.m. to 2 p.m.
So very near to the airport.
Early, like 2 hours before lah. 2 hours before your flight.
So don't worry because this hotel is walking distance from the airport. This is the actual price if you will book directly to them. We got a twin room for only 3,081 in Philippine peso. The room is big and super comfortable. This is also with balcony. They provide everything. Kettle, coffee, herb blower, towel, toiletries, and even cloth iron, and even extra pillow. No matter what time your flight, they has 24-hour receptions, checking in at 2 p.m. and checking out by 12 noon.
Superior room.
Sila. And haggardness. So tomorrow, let's check the view. So, see, oh, they have balcony. Your stays include a complimentary buffet breakfast. So here is the rest. Rice, goreng. It's like Filipino food sa Pusoy. And this one is look interesting. Cereal, toastation. This hotel is also perfect for traveler with a flight, as this is right next to the mall, grocery, and many dining options. This hotel, so you will just go like that, and then you will go to the shopping center. The entrance of Times Hotel, so you will just go the right side, and you will get to the shopping center. So that is the entrance of the hotel, and this is the shopping center. A Jollibee there. So as of now, we came too much early and they're still closed. So we're looking for a store that we can. This hotel is attached to their mall. This is Times Square. This is only beside of Times Hotel. Shop. Most of their clothes is their traditional clothes. Like that. So there's a lot of food court here, but they will open by 10. This is the Times Hotel. So this is the mall. So it's like that. So we'll go here in Sus. We will try it. Have also a free access to their pool. Times Hotel, ito yung outside ng Times Hotel. So there's a shopping center there, City Square. So pretty. So this, look. So meron doon, akit tayo later. Hello, 10, drinks, changes. Never give up. Learn more. Live for today. Count the love. Always try new things. Follow your dreams. Be grateful. Be true to what yourself. Trust in yourself. Simple things. Enjoy simple things in life. Laugh every day. Find a passion and pursue it. Is it the reception? Hoping you enjoy for this hotel review.
Yay,
Till next
Brunei.
time. Bye-bye.